Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, progressive 970 shocks. You do get what you pay for. Check these. Okay, you got your remote dash pots, compression adjustable, springs adjustable. You really don't get any better than that. These particular ones, perfect for your diners, where you want a real good shock, proper twin shock bike, proper bike. You know, a lot better handling than the old Softails. But 971001, okay, top of the range. These are your 210, £250, which is your standard Dyna springs. Okay, but obviously adjustable pretty well for ride height and pressure, plus damping. Comes complete as a kit, come with the Harley bushes, in this particular case it's Harley Davidson, or your instructions. Okay, so if you're interested in any real high-end top of the range shocks, give us a call. This is a progressive 970, not cheap, proper CNC, as you can see, very, very high quality, beautifully made. Get a pair in a box. As I say, this is as good as it gets if you're into shocks. And I'll put that back in the correct place. But comes complete with all instructions, and if you want to massively improve the handling over your bike compared to the standard Harley shocks, which they reckon they pay $50 a pair for, if that, then this is the way to go. Alternatively, we have got the 430s, the 412s, and other shocks as well. Give us a call, 01773 835 666, or www.customcruisers.com or customcruisers.eu. That's our new website, mainly Milwaukee, 8 parts on that, but eventually that will become a new website because it's way better. You can have an account, you can register, get discounts. It is actually a way, way better system. Thank you.